How to transfer money between Chime and Cash App step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Chime for banking and Cash App for peer-to-peer payments or purchases, you might be wondering on how you can transfer money between Chime and Cash App and vice versa without fees or delays. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly on how you can send money from Chime to Cash App, how to cash out from Cash App back to Chime, and answer common questions like transfer times, limits, and safety. Before we dive right in, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's quickly talk about an overview of both platforms. Both Chime and Cash App are popular for different reasons. Chime is a mobile-friendly banking platform with fee-free checking, early paydays, and saving features. Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment application that lets you send, receive, and even invest money instantly. Although they're separate platforms, you can connect them easily, and once linked, transferring money becomes simple. Now, let's talk about transferring money from Chime to Cash App. So let's start with how to send money from your Chime account to Cash App. Number one, you want to open up your Cash App account. From there, we can simply link Chime as a bank. So you then want to tap on your profile icon, scroll down to link bank or tap bank accounts, and then you want to tap on link bank. Select Chime if listed or tap add manually. You then want to enter your Chime routing number and account number. Now, you can find these numbers in your Chime application. So you just want to open the Chime application, tap settings, and then account info. You then want to copy your routing and account numbers. From there, you then want to add funds from Chime. Once Chime is linked, go back to your Cash App home screen, tap on the add cash, choose an amount, and then you want to select your Chime linked account. Confirm and complete the transfer, and from there you should be good to go. Transfers may take around 1 to 3 business days if using the standard deposit, but instant transfers might be available with a small fee. Now, how can we transfer money from Cash App to Chime? Now, let's say that you've got money in Cash App and want to send it to your Chime spending account. First things first, you want to go ahead and cash out on your home screen, so you can just tap on the balance option. After that, click on cash out, and then you want to enter the amount that you want to transfer. You can either select the standard transfer, which is free but it will take around 1 to 3 business days, or the instant transfers, but it will take 1 to 5 or 1.5% fee. You then want to choose Chime as destination. If you've already linked your Chime account as explained earlier, you just want to select it as the destination for your cash out, and then done. Your money will move directly to Chime. Now, as an alternative method, you want to use Chime debit card on Cash App. Another way to move funds is by linking your Chime debit card instead of your routing number. So you just want to head over to the Cash App profile, click on link banks, and from there you then want to tap on link debit card. Enter your Chime Visa debit card info, and once verified, you can instantly add or withdraw money through the card. This method is faster for smaller transfers and may allow instant access depending on your settings. Now, I'm also going to answer some common questions and tips. Now, is there a fee to transfer from Chime to Cash App? No. The standard transfers are free. Only instant transfers from Cash App to Chime may have a 1.5% fee. How long do transfers take? Now, the standard transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, and for instant transfers, it's available in minutes, but with a small percentage or fee. Now, can I use Chime for Cash App direct deposits? Yes. If you want to receive your paycheck into Cash App, you can go ahead and use your Chime account details as your direct deposit info. Well, what if my Chime card isn't accepted? You want to make sure that you've activated your Chime card. You're using the Chime debit card, not the credit builder card, which isn't accepted by Cash App. Now, let's talk about security and best practices. How to keep your money safe when moving between Chime and Cash App. Now, you only link accounts through the official applications. You don't want to share login credentials. You want to use two-factor authentication on both platforms, and then you want to turn on transaction alerts in Chime and Cash App. You want to avoid public Wi-Fi when transferring money, and also you want to make sure that your name on both platforms matches. Mismatches can delay or reject transfers. Now, when should you move money? Here are some few situations where moving money or moving funds between Chime and Cash App makes sense. 1. You got paid in Chime and want to spend money quickly via Cash App. A friend pays you in Cash App and you want to move it to your bank, your budgeting, and using Cash App for spending and Chime for bills. And lastly, if you want to take advantage of the early pay from Chime, but still use the Cash App's investing for crypto and more. Once again, to go ahead and do this method, all you have to do is to simply link both of your accounts together. Once again, open up your Cash App application, link Chime as a bank, so you just want to tap on your profile icon inside the Cash App, scroll down to the link banks, and then you want to tap on bank accounts. Tap on link bank, select Chime if listed, or tap add manually. You then want to enter your Chime routing number and your account number. Now, you can find these numbers in your Chime application. Just navigate through your settings, account info, and then you can copy routing and account numbers. Now, you can then add funds from Chime. Once Chime is linked, you then want to go back to your Chime app home screen. So tap on add cash, choose an amount, and then you want to select your Chime linked account. Confirm and complete the transfer, and you should be good to go. Transfers may take 1 to 3 business days if you're using the standard deposit, but if you want to receive it quickly, you can then go ahead and choose instant transfers. Basically, that's your full guide on how to transfer money between Chime and Cash App. Once your accounts are linked, it's quick and flexible to move funds either way. And best of all, there are no major fees when done correctly. If this video helped you out, you can just subscribe and like for more money tips, and comment below on which applications do you prefer more. Once again, all of the mentioned tools in this video is going to be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and check it out. So I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to go ahead and stay safe out there. Thank you.